In the competitive world of firefighting, a strong CV is your ticket to standing out. It's not just about listing qualifications. It's about showcasing your unique skills and experiences. Let's explore why this matters. When creating a personal profile for your CV, it's essential to fully understand the role you're applying for and the challenges that come with it. Emergency services professionals take on a wide range of responsibilities, from educating the community and carrying out safety inspections to ongoing training and responding to emergencies. A clean professional layout is crucial. It ensures your CV is easy to read and effectively communicates your qualifications. Remember, first impressions matter. This role demands strong physical endurance, quick decision-making, and solid technical training to operate equipment safely and effectively. Just as important are soft skills like teamwork, clear communication, and staying calm under pressure. Present your work experience with quantifiable achievements to demonstrate your impact and capabilities. The fire service accepts applications from a range of backgrounds. If you're joining the fire service as a school leaver, graduate, or after a career change, be sure to leverage as much volunteer experience as possible. Including additional courses and certificates on a CV shows you are a capable and committed member of the fire service. Position these additional qualifications in their section, including the issuing institution, date of completion, and course name. Crafting an impressive firefighter CV involves strategic presentation of skills, experiences, and continuous learning. Your CV is a living document that evolves with your career. Start building your CV today using our templates and tips. Take action now and pave your path to success in the firefighting profession. Check the link in the description box.